In this video, we will discuss about the fundamental forces exist in nature. So there are four fundamental forces which exist in nature. The first one is gravitational force, that is your electromagnetic forces, nuclear forces, and the last one is weak interaction forces. Now let us discuss the first force, that is called as a gravitational force. The gravitational force exists between the two objects when the objects have a mass. So any object which have a mass will experience or apply a gravitational force. Suppose we have two mass objects. Let us listen, this is M1 and M2, and they are separated by a distance r. Then the gravitational force is given by capital G, product of masses, divided by square of distance. So this is also known as a Newton's law of gravitation. So we can say that gravitational force exists when the object have a mass. This force is weak in nature. It is very small as compared to three forces. It is very long range force, as we know that our Earth is attracted by sun. One star is attracting, one galaxy is attracting other galaxies. So we can say that this range of this force is infinite in nature. And we also experience a force because of Earth. We all which are standing on the Earth is attracted towards the center of the Earth. Now let us discuss about the second force, that is called as a electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force name is suggesting us electric and magnetic forces. So this electromagnetic force exists between the charges. When the charges are at rest, then the force between the charges is given by Coulomb's law. When the charges are in motion, then the force between the charges is given by the Lorentz force. Now, what is Coulomb's law and what is Lorentz force? The Coulomb's law says that if you have two charges, suppose this is Q1 charge and this is Q2 charge, and they are separated by a distance of r, then the force between them is given by the product of charges divided by square of distance, same as that of gravitational law. Now Lorentz force says that the force between the two moving charges is given by F is equal to Q into velocity cross B vector. If you add the electric force also, it becomes Q into E. E is electric field, B is a magnetic field. So this is known as a Lorentz force. Let us discuss some of the properties of electromagnetic force. We know that from here you can say that the electromagnetic force is also a long range force. Means the range of this electric force is infinity. It is a stronger force, stronger than the gravitational force. So that is, it is 10 raised to the power 36 times the force of gravitation. So you can say that the electromagnetic force is 10 raised to the power 36 times the force of gravitation. So this is very large. It is both attractive and repulsive. We know that for like charges, they repel, and unlike charges attract each other. So electromagnetic force is both attractive as well as repulsive force. Now let us discuss about a nuclear force. Nuclear force exists between the nucleons. that is protons and neutrons. Now, to understand it, let us discuss a nucleus which contain lot of protons, large number of protons and very large number of neutrons are there. Now, and the size of the nucleus is approximately 10 raised to power minus 15 meter, which is very small. Now, protons are the positively charged particle, so they will repel each other. As they repel each other, the force of repulsion is that much large, it come out of this nucleus. ये न्यूक्लियस के अंदर नहीं रह पाएंगे. All will come out of the nucleus. As a result, nucleus does not exist. This means that there must be another one force which bind these all protons together inside a nucleus. So that force which bind all these protons inside a nucleus is known as nuclear force. So here you can say that the nuclear force is the force between protons and neutrons inside a nucleus. So from here you can see that this nuclear force is stronger than the repulsive force, electrostatic repulsive force, that is electromagnetic force. So the nuclear force is stronger as compared to the electromagnetic force. So it is 100 times more than electromagnetic force. So you can also say that this is the strongest force exist in nature. But the problem of this force is that it exists only inside a nucleus. ये सिर्फ न्यूक्लियस के अंदर ही एग्जिस्ट होती है. दैट इज रेंज ऑफ दिस वन इज 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. It's both attractive as well as repulsive. Attractive as well as repulsive. If the distance is very small between them, then they start repelling each other. Now let us discuss the weak interaction forces. The weak interaction forces exist when the nuclear reaction are taking place. When uranium-238 combine with the neutrons, then or react with this neutron, then the barium and krypton plus 3 neutron and energy is formed. So this type of reaction is known as a nuclear reaction. So during some of the nuclear reactions, the electrons are produced or released. So for that one, when the electrons are released, then this type of reaction is carried out due to the weak interaction forces between the nuclei. So when the proton is changed into the neutron, then this positive electron and this is our negative electron. The positive electron is known as a positron and the negative electron is electron itself. So when during this nuclear reaction, here the electron is released. This electron is released. This type of reaction is taking place because of weak interaction forces. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन तब रिलीज होते हैं जब इन दोनों के बीच में जो रिएक्शन हो रही है, द फोर्स लग रही है, दैट इज वीक इंटरेक्शन फोर्सेस. सो दिस इज योर वीक इंटरेक्शन फोर्सेस. वी डिस्कस द प्रॉपर्टी. इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ 10 raised to power minus 16 and it is a short range force that is exist inside a nucleus. So there exist 4 fundamental forces. Gravitational force is the force between the masses. Electromagnetic force is a force between the charges. either in rest or motion, nuclear force between the nucleons, and weak interaction force when the electron is released. So this is all about this much. Thanking you.